last night. We did, just a little bit. And we're supposed to have rain all weekend, and we did not have rain. So here I have is the sun turf. And this is 2 pieces versus 1 piece. And if I want to do a correct job, I have to get the correct pieces and then to put them piece part. So I have my options right here. So there's my awning. You can see it wet, did its job. If it's down just a little bit more, maybe the water will go off. I'm not worried. It's not dripping. It's not causing any damage. Look at that raindrop right there. Look at that right there. Just about ready to drop. Now, if I had a Hero 10, is it going to make me a better video cameraman? I have a camera. It's going to do just fine. So I ran out of screws, the bolts, the wood bolts that has the rubber metal washer fastener. I need 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. I'm going to need 2 more packages of that. I'm not even going to bother to count the amounts I need right now. So I got 2 more pieces. It's overlapped. It's secured with 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 sections. So when it snows, it's going to do a good job. So how did I do? How does it look to you? It's dirty. It's clean. That has to just be hosed off. You can see all the fingerprints on it. And you can see the clean one and the dirty one. So there you go. They're $24 an 8-foot piece. They're $18 for a 5-foot piece, which you can't get. So I have to go get a 12-foot piece, cut it down, and it finished the last 2. But the last one is only going to be half that width. So I'm not going to go overboard. I'm going to go to the very end, and I am done. So I may just, cut it on an angle, leave it alone. I have my options. I hope this video was helpful to somebody out there looking to do an awning or some type of rig like this. Check out my other video. I'll try to put the description on how I built that for you. Check it on out. One day, I am going to snip this. It's going to have to be cut down. And the person I could ask is Steve WB. Steve WB. Giving a shout out to the gentleman and his channel. He is the man that knows about this plant. The skyflower, the geisha girl, the golden sapphire dewdrop. All from a little stem. How would you cut this? Thank you for your comments. Have a great day.